Today in this video, I will draw a beautiful looking day-night scenery. For this drawing, I'm using Gallery Soft pastel colors, but you can use your favorite pastel colors. My paper is 200 GSM thick and size is 8 x 8 inch. I divide the paper into two halves using masking tape. On the left, I'll draw night scene. I begin the night scene with light blue, applying it at 100% intensity. Next, I reduce the intensity to 50% and add a second layer of light blue. To deepen the colors, I introduce cobalt blue at 50% intensity in place to blend these to color properly. Now I'm adding a rich layer of cobalt blue at 100% intensity. After that same way creating another layer with 50% intensity. Now I introduce our darkest blue shade at 50% intensity. Finally, I apply the darkest blue at 100% intensity at the top to maintain a light to dark blue color gradient. For soft blend, I will use a folded tissue paper. You can also use your finger or a soft fabric for blending. Gently sweep the tissue paper across the colors to merge them. Use a light touch to avoid smudging or removing pigment. Next, I add clouds using white, starting with an outline for structure. Then apply it in base. Blend the color with finger. For precise control, I like to blend the clouds using my fingertip. Blend gently to avoid harsh lines. Enhancing cloud depth, I add highlights with same white color. Blending highlights seamlessly into the cloud base. Now let's remove the masking tape and reposition the tape along the night scene's edge for a sharp divide. I cut and apply a circular masking tape to reserve space for the sun. Now beginning the day scene with yellow color. Applying it in circular motion. Next I introduce slightly darker color golden yellow and trying to blend it with previous color. After that I add flame red for a dramatic gradient. Flame red deepens the sunset's warmth. Gently applying flame red with the existing colors. Finally lemon yellow adds a final burst of brightness around the sun's masked area. Again let's blend all the colors with tissue paper and create a stunning day scene gradient. Similar way I will add some clouds in our day scene as well. Defining cloud shape, then blend the color with finger. Gently merging colors seamlessly, achieving soft, ethereal effect. Same way adding highlights with white color. Then blend cloud highlights and base for a natural, airy texture. Gently lifting all tapes. I cut a paper for moon shape. Applying white paint inside the moon. Now let's draw lots of star with white gel pen. After completing our day and night background, let's draw a tree in the middle. Sketch trunk and branches with soft black pencil strokes. Define shape with darker pastel shades for depth and dimension. Now, let's add leaves using black pastel, drawing patiently to cover the entire tree. This will take some time, but the end result will be worth it. Adding grass around the tree will definitely enhance the realism. Now, I'll draw a boy sitting under the tree on the night side. Same way I will draw a girl sits lost in thought on the day side. Hope you enjoyed this painting video with step-by-step commentary. Let me know what you thought of this painting video in the comments. Finally, let's remove all the masking tape and our painting is ready. Subscribe my channel, I will introduce more such video like this. Share this video with your friends. You can watch my other painting video. Click here. Thanks for watching.